Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your bubble gun. First, find the battery compartment, which is typically located on the handle or the bottom of the toy. You will likely need a small Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the single screw holding the cover in place. Once the screw is removed, carefully lift the compartment cover to access the battery slots inside. This initial step is crucial for powering up your fun. Now that the compartment is open, it's time to insert the batteries. Most bubble guns require 2 or 3 AA batteries. Pay close attention to the positive and negative symbols inside the compartment and on the batteries themselves. Make sure to align them correctly to ensure proper function. Once the batteries are in place, carefully reattach the compartment cover and secure it with the screw you removed earlier. This ensures a tight seal. With the batteries in, the next step is to attach your bubble solution. Find the small bottle of bubble solution that came with your gun or a compatible refill. Look for the designated attachment point on the bubble gun, usually near the front or bottom. Gently twist the solution bottle clockwise until it is securely fastened. A tight connection is important to prevent any leaks and ensure a steady flow of bubbles during play. You are almost ready for action. Before you start playing, do a quick final check. Make sure the battery compartment cover is firmly screwed on and the bubble solution bottle is securely attached. Now, simply point your bubble gun away from your face and press the trigger. You should see a stream of beautiful bubbles emerge. If not, double-check your battery placement. Get ready to create a fantastic bubbly atmosphere for everyone to enjoy. Have a wonderful time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.